Good morning, students. In this video I am going to explain you about fraction and types of fraction. First of all, what is fractions? A fraction is a number that describes a relationship between a part and a whole. The meaning of whole is the part which we are taking. A whole part. For example, here whole part is a rectangular and we divide rectangular in 5 equal parts. The parts should be equal. Remember this thing. Equal parts are important. If the parts are not equal, we cannot represent it as a fraction. Now numbers of the parts which are shaded are 3. How many parts are shaded? 3 out of 5. So we can write shaded parts as 3 over 5. What are the parts of fraction? First is numerator, then fraction bar, and then denominator. Upper part is called numerator and the line between upper and the lower part is called fraction bar and the lower part is called denominator. Remember this thing, we always take total parts as a denominator. Now in this example I want to clear a concept of numerator and denominator with more clarity. For example, we have a pizza and I divide a pizza into 8 equal parts. So we always take denominator as a equal parts. How many parts? 8. And the one part which is highlighted, it is taken as a numerator. So 1 by 8 is our fraction, and same example is repeating with the chocolate. I divide chocolate it into the 4 parts. So 4 are the parts, total parts are 4. Then it is taken as a denominator and one highlighted part is taken as a numerator. So one highlighted part can be written as 1 by 4. Now types of fraction. First of all, improper fraction. What is proper fraction? Where numerator is smaller than the denominator. 1 by 5. For example, 1 by 5. 1 is smaller than the 5. It means it is a proper fraction. Second is improper. When numerator is greater than the denominator. Here 6 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. And 6 is greater than the 2. So it is improper fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of the two parts, things, that one is whole number and other is fraction. Here 2 is a whole number and 1 by 2 is a fraction. So combo pack is 2 1 by 2. It is known as a mixed fraction. Now what are the like fractions? Like fractions are those fractions which has the same denominator. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Unlike fractions which have different denominators, where denominators are not same, like 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions have the same value even though they may look different. For example, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. At a first glance, they seems to be different, but when these are represented by the diagrams, we can see that all these fractions are equal. For example, first of all, we are taking 1 by 2. Take a circle, make 2 parts, 2 equal parts, and shade 1 part. And then 2 by 4, convert circle into the 4 equal parts and shade 2 parts. With the and then convert circle into the 6 parts. Then make 6 parts and shade the circle into shade the 3 parts of the circle. Then make 8 parts of the circle and shade 4 parts. In first we shade only 1 part. In second picture we shade 2 parts. In third we shade 3 parts and in fourth we shade 4 parts. Parting is parts are different, but the part which is shaded is equal. सभी का हाफ सर्कल जो है वो पार्ट किया गया, शेड किया गया है. सो एट ए फर्स्ट ग्लांस these fractions seems to be unequal, but these are basically equal fractions. Like 1 is the half part of 2, 2 is the half part of 4, 3 is the half part of 6, and 4 is the half part of 8. Now unit fraction. Unit fractions are those fractions which has 1 as a numerator, like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. Now how we can change a mixed fraction into an improper one? Here we have a mixed fraction 2, 3 by 4. We multiplied whole number by denominator, that is 2 multiplied by 3, and then add numerator. So we get 8 plus 3, and our denominator will remain always same, and we have 11 over 4. Let's take another example. 5 2 by 3. We multiply 3 by 5 and add 2. We get 17 by 3. Here, how can we convert improper fraction to mixed numbers? We have 7 by 3 as a fraction. One thing remember, we always convert only improper fraction into the mixed ones. We never convert proper fraction into, it cannot be converted. Proper fraction cannot be converted into the mixed fraction. So here we take the help of division. When we divide, we have a 2 as a quotient and 1 as a remainder. And remember this thing, our denominator will remain same. We take 2 as a quotient as a whole number, which is 2, and remainder as a numerator, and our denominator will remain same. Thank you.